back to the Gunk YouTube channel. My name is Bruna and today we're going to recreate this look over here. I'm going to start with my base and my foundation like I usually do, and then I'll put my black lenses like we see in the image so we can recreate this illusion makeup on. So I put like one contact lens in. So I usually put contact lenses before like the rest of the makeup. First of all, to see where the line was supposed to be. So this is one on, one out. But usually I have very sensitive eyes sometimes. And especially putting lenses I'm not used to because I usually wear glasses. So I always recommend putting before your makeup if you're not used to wearing lenses or anything. I would put before until you get used to the lens. So now I'm going to put on the other one. I'm trying to do it on camera, but it's a little bit difficult to me because I need to like look in a particular way. But I'll try my best. So basically for the lines I used this maroon makeup palette. So I used this black eyeliner with water activator, and I use only this little brush, detail brush, and I went through like where the eye meets the black, so as close as possible so it'll look like a continuous line, and you make like this effect, and then I'll go like through it and create these fake ones as well to make like more like artsy and looks like more water, and makes it like make this one, it looks like a teardrop that I put like loads of water, so it makes like a teardrop thing here. And then I just went over like with very loose lines, so I was like just doing very loose lines very easily. Then I apply this rosy thing on my lips, and then I use a gloss on top to make like these like very juicy lips. Yeah, to finalize I'm going to just use my elf ears, and I think we're done. So I was going to put my hair back, but I want to hide my real ears so it looks like that, so you wouldn't see in a photo like that. Yeah, like that. You just put on top of your own and then it gets stuck, and then I will apply more hair in the front, so then it looks like that.